2016 Toyota Camry XLE, bright silver metallic paint, aluminum alloy wheels with new tires, pinstripe, light gray leather interior, carpeted floor mats throughout, power windows, locks and mirrors, blind spot monitor, lane keep assist and forward collision warning, power seat adjustments, heated front row seats, wireless phone charging, dual automatic climate controls, free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, hands-free Bluetooth, backup camera, CD player, premium JBL sound system, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just over 195,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us.